Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. Firstly, happy Diwali to all of you celebrating. I cannot believe we are in November already this year. Do you guys get the same feeling as well? Anyway, this festive season in general brings in so much joy with all the food, family, friends and the festivities. But with so much to do, decking up the house can be such a daunting task, especially for me. So this year I was looking to do some simple DIY stuff and I bumped into some few great ones on Pinterest. Inspired by it, of course, I decided to give some of them a try in today's video, which you'll see, and while at it, unleashed my creative side and came up with a few new ones as well. So if you're looking for some fun and easy DIYs, jump on in and let's get rolling. My first one is totally Pinterest inspired and I saw so many variations of this online. For this, all you need is wine glasses, preferably in different heights, so that it adds the distinctive layers. A few fresh flowers if you have them, or even if you have reusable ones, that works as well, and some candles to match with it. Now all you have to do is to cut up some fresh flowers with the leaves so that it adds the perfect pop of green color. And then insert them into the glass and invert it on the surface you want to place it. Adjust them accordingly until you're happy so that it faces the right direction and the flowers are not crumpled inside the wine glass. Repeat that for all the wine glasses and invert them and adjust them accordingly on the table. Now add in your scented candles or even your tea light candles, and that's it. Your simple and easy candle holder is ready to be used. My second holder is another easy one, and I always used to do this with my mason jars, so today I decided to try them with some cylindrical vases, which are of course of different heights again, some flowers, fresh or reusable ones, some floating candles and some pebbles. Add the pebbles to the bottom of your cylindrical vases. You can use mason jars, of course. I mostly use mason jars which hangs on my breakfast nook, but today I decided to use them as a centerpiece, so I decided to use my cylindrical vase instead. Now pluck out your flowers, whichever color, whatever you want to use, and stuff them in your vase until you're happy with the height and there's enough space for the candle to float on. And add in just enough water until the rim, and then place your floating candles. And that's it, this beautiful piece is ready to be used. I of course went a little overboard by adding in more greens around the tray because I was using this as a centerpiece as opposed to just a candle holder in itself. This is another easy one. What I like about this candle holder is that you can change up the flowers inside and give it a fresh new look every time you use it. Why only eat rice when you can create beautiful candle holders with it? And that's what I did with this. For this you'll need rice, some food color and some flowers. It can be faux or real, and some candle holders, a tapered candle holder that can go inside another one so that you can put your candle in it and decorate around it with the colored rice. Mix them all really well until every grain of the rice is beautifully colored and vibrant looking. Now place the smaller candle holder inside the bigger one and place your actual candle inside the smaller candle holder so that there's enough gap between the two candle holders. Now with the help of a paper rolled and inserted between the two candle holders, fill the holder with the colored rice and see how vibrant and beautiful it looks. You can use any number of colors in the rice, and of course there's no hard and fast rule of how much quantity of rice each layer should have. I love how this turned out, and I love how it adds the perfect bright color to my Diwali decor. This one is by far my easiest. For this, all you need is LED candles and some rhinestone ribbon sheets, which I got from the dollar store. These are self-adhesive, so it makes them really easy to use. I am cutting about 3 lines here, which is just enough to tape it around the tea lights. Peel off the self-adhesive and just stick it on around the LED lights to add that perfect pop of gold bling that's required for your Diwali. If you live in the West and have to deal with fire alarms, then these ones are really easy to use, especially if you have to light your lamps inside the house. This makes it hassle-free and also safe around kids. For my last one, all you'll need is some candles, rubber bands and some cinnamon sticks, the long ones. Put the rubber bands on the candles and insert the cinnamon sticks between the rubber bands. This is another easy and simple decor piece for Diwali. You can also amp this up even more by adding in some flowers, which is what I did. I used some burlap and tied it around the rubber band so that the rubber band wasn't seen, and then stuck in some faux flower that I had at home in between the cinnamon sticks to give it that perfect Diwali look. When this candle is lit, the smell of the cinnamon just permeates into the entire house and adds the perfect aroma that's needed. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Like and share if you did. Also, please follow me on my Instagram handle to see more of my Diwali decor because I have more to share there. Thank you all so much for stopping by once again. As always, if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all very soon in my next one. Bye-bye.